This is a 1945 Ford tractor, Model 2N. It's interesting that Ford continued to make farm implements even after they stopped making cars, because obviously people had to eat, and so you had to make tractors. And this one, very nice looking, very well restored, 4-cylinder model, and it has the Ferguson system, and I had no idea what that was. I looked it up in Wikipedia, and it turns out that it's a method to attach implements to the tractor using three posts or 3 attachment points. And look it up. There was a legal battle about that, and finally was settled in Ferguson's favor. I'm sure much to the chagrin of Ford. And I remember there was way back, I guess in the 70s, there was an interval wiper system that Ford wound up using, and there was a legal battle on that by the inventor of the system. And it's interesting. I guess inventors, if you're out there, better make sure everything is patented before you show your invention to anybody. So that's a nice tractor, and I'm glad to see it and glad to learn more about Harry Ferguson.